Hi, Namaste. To get started, download the Google Home app. आरंभ करने के लिए Google Home app डाउनलोड करें।
Hey Google. Hi.
Hi, a lot is going on in the world today. I hope you're taking care of yourself.
Hey Google. Set alarm for 6:15 a.m.
There, your alarm's set for tomorrow at 6:15 a.m.
Hey Google. Cancel the alarm.
Okay, the alarm for tomorrow at 6:15 a.m. is cancelled.
Today's weather.
Today, there'll be thunderstorms with a forecast high of 31 and a low of 22. Right now it's 28 degrees and partly cloudy.
Okay Google. Today's animal.
Today, we're going to learn about the amazing scorpion. Scorpions are famous for their curved tails,
Okay, Google.
which have a poison.
Stop it. Play some music in Spotify.
I also need to know which device to use. Try saying that again and include the device's name.
Play this device.
Alright, My Device by Aria. Playing on Spotify.
Hey Google. Stop. Hey Google. Play. Hey Google. Stop. Hey Google. Thanks.
I'm honored to serve.